Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix bully on Steam 60 FPS unlock, enable widescreen, fix crashes and bugs. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam, click on library, right click on the game, click properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. So basically this is for the crashes and bugs on the game, as verify integrity of game files will fix any missing files or corrupted files that is currently getting your issue. Wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. Once done, it should look like something like this. All files successfully validated. Go ahead and exit it out and relaunch your game. Now, to change the FPS limit from 30 to match your monitor's refresh rate or 60 FPS, just go ahead and right click on your game, hover up to manage, browse local files. Now, as you currently have, I don't currently have bully on me, but I would go ahead and narrate on what you should find. Now, once you click on browse local files, go ahead and open up the silent patch bully.ini file. Once done, go ahead and click on change the FPS limit value from 30 to 60 or match your monitor's refresh rate, but I'd recommend just keeping it at 60 since this is a very old game. Now, once done, go ahead and exit out and relaunch your game, and it should be on 60 FPS. Now, to fix any display and scaling bugs, go ahead and just right click on your game once more. Go ahead and click properties right over here. I'm sorry, just go ahead and exit this out, or right click on your game once more, manage, browse local files, basically on the same page as well, but this time on the executable file. Right click on it, properties. Now over here, click on compatibility and make sure to run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click apply and then OK. Then launch the game from the file folder right over here, and it should be fixed from the display and scaling bugs. Basically, that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful that fix all the three issues that is currently on this title of this YouTube video. Now, if it did, please leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye for now. Peace.